Alright, so this looks familiar. I'm going to unbox this brand new wheel sent from BTH. They want me to evaluate, see if this wheel is good as the other one they sent me about 10 months ago, last April. And this is the value, or you can call it a budget model or value model. It's a little bit slightly cheaper than the previous one. Looks like very well packed. Alright, so this is one of the legs for the wheel. Right, feel very heavy duty. It's the same as the one they sent me. And this is the splash pan. Again, it's similar to that one. I have it unboxed in last year. They were connected with a magnet. Alright, and there's another box here. Alright. Okay, so this is what it looked like underneath of the wheel. The box looks very sturdy. Alright, let me lay it on the side. And then I will assemble the legs together. I think the legs they have several holes, so it's adjustable to fit it the certain height depending on how tall you are. And this box comes with it. I think it's all the parts in the manual. Right, the tools to assemble, and also the control pedal and the cable. Right. And the pedal looks the same as the other one that they sent me last year. Assemble the legs should be easy. Use the wrench to that come with the package. Unscrew it and then put it back. Alright, so all the legs have been assembled. So here's the splash pan, and it's magnet, so it's very easy to assemble and disassemble. If you needed to clean it, just pull it out. That's it. And also you can spin it freely. So if you have more water here, and you just turn it here and then pull it out, and then the other side you can pull it out too. Fairly easy. And the wheel head is it's 12 inches wide. Right, and this is the pedal. And once I hook it up, this should be ready to go. So let's do the inside and see how it goes. Alright, I bring the wheel inside my studio. Now I'm going to assemble the cable. It's very straightforward. Right here. So there's only one direction to push it in, and once you push it in, all you need is just screw it on. And let me open it up sideways. You can see that this is where the for the pedal to connect, and then the power cable is very easy. Just plug it in here, and the on and off, forward and the reverse on and off button here. So let me switch it on and try to see if it's spinning. Okay. Right, that's clockwise, and let's go forward. So forward is kind of clockwise and reverse is clockwise. Right, so it's spinning. And now let me do my setup. Bring this over here for my bed system. So this is my bed system, and I'm gonna use the other side to check to see if the two screws is in the center. So a little bit loose. It's a little bit smaller than my bed system. So this is the nuts that specifically designed for my bed system. Right, so this is the bed pins that come with original one, and it's a little bit too small for my bed system, so I'm going to replace with my own. Before I really tighten it, I like to make sure it's in the perfect center. Slide it off. Alright, so that looks pretty center to me. I'm according to the line here. That when it's spin, it looks very circle without moving. So this should be good. And then I will tie the nut. Okay. So that will be a perfect fit for my bed system. And the wheel head is 12 inches. So this is good. Perfect fit for my bed system. And if I wanted to, I can flip it over and start to throw on here. Okay, pretty good. And I will test the sound of both wheel, and the driving system is quite different. That one is direct drive, and this one is belt drive. So, but the horsepower it's the same horsepower. So I will test to see which one is more quiet. All right, so I'm going to do the test for the sound of the wheel. This one first. And I have a camera above both wheel, another camera, so I will record the sound and show you the difference. Right, there's a little bit of a vibration, but not quite noticeable. And then I reverse it. Alright, so this one is belt drive, and then I will check this one, direct drive. Okay, so that was the red drive and at full speed. Let me reverse it. Just to let you know, this one is brand new. This one has been used for 10 months. Alright, so for your reference, the model number of this wheel is BP02NA. Okay, right here. And the other one, this one here, is DD03NA. And most of them are the same. It's just the motor system is a little bit different, and also the wheel head is slightly smaller, 12 inches versus 14 inches. And the tabletop here is slightly smaller. This one is a little bit wider. Alright, so this is my unboxing, and I will do a whole bunch of throwing and trimming on this wheel and see if I like it, and I will show you in the longer term, see how this wheel hold up to the test of everyday use compared to that one too, and compared to the major wheel like Brent and Hsinchuen. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.